This is the 2024 Salem Hemisphere 270FK front kitchen trailer. Find it on sale. The Hemisphere 270FK is a big, beautiful front kitchen floor plan in a flat floor trailer. New this year, it features a fiberglass roof, a powered Versa-Tilt bed, tankless water heater, windows with built-in shades with Therma-foil backing, 2 roof ACs, and Goodyear tires. The trailer has a spacious front kitchen with a refrigerator, lots of counter space, and windows that surround the kitchen and dining room. The mid-living room has theater seating with 2 comfortable recliners, across from the big flat-screen TV. The walk-thru bath is accessible from the living room and from the bedroom. The bedroom features a custom Versa-Tilt bed, full closet across the back, washer-dryer prep, and a separate entrance door. The coach has enclosed and heated tanks and a 200-watt solar panel. Don't miss this opportunity.